Let's do a summery bronze look. I want to go here, but then I also want to use a shimmer stick, but we'll get to that in a second. First, let's highlight with the cream. If you hear intense snoring, that's actually Doug today. He is just absolutely honk-shoeing. Let's switch over to this shade, and we'll just go ahead and put this all over our lid. It's nice and warm, but that's what I'm going for today. Just kind of lay down a nice cream base. And then get me over into this 2016 warm shade. I feel like back in 2016, this would have been the only shade I would have reached for. I'm kidding, but it was that serious to find one this perfectly orangey warm. That would have been a big deal for me, my friends. Let's grab this shade. We're using that C31, and I'm just gonna apply it here. Stay with me, my friends. I wanted this added depth because I want to use this delicious shade just on the outer part, and then I want to put the shadow stick in the center. So I'm not going to put any kind of base here. I do find that whenever I try to use a base with a shadow stick, it starts to get a little creasy and chaotic. So let's just focus that on the outer parts here. I love how much red is in this shade. I feel like this is such a pretty shade for brown eyes and blue eyes and green eyes. It's kind of that universal shade that makes your eyes pop. So I'm just going to place it there, and I'm keeping it on my lid space. I'm going to push it into the crease just a little bit, but I didn't want the crease too shimmery. And then we'll go towards the front part as well. Look at this. This is the Bobbi Brown Crystal Eye Shadow Stick. What shade is this one? Brilliant Honey. And I just want to put that right into the center here. Yeah, this is the bronzy goodness I had in mind. And you can actually let these dry a little bit. This one's dry down, and then you can layer them up as well, and they don't get weird. They don't start to crumble or crack. Big fan of that. So this is a really fun tip. Whenever I do bronze, I look for kind of a reddish liner. This one is Spicy Price, but there's so many. This is Mahogany from Prada. But all we're doing is looking for this red shade to really enhance and bring out the red and all of that bronze, and it just makes things look even more bronzy. I'm done saying bronzy now. Now this is going to be pretty easy if you want to add a little definition to the lash line. I'm just going to take an E27, and this is nicely pigmented, but it's not get out of hand very quickly pigmented. And I'm just going to start here, kind of where my eye is separating, and I'm just stamping that into my lashes. And then I'll extend it just a little bit. And because the edges are just getting blurred as I'm stamping, it's a lot easier, and you don't have to worry too much about precision, but we're still getting a nice lift, and we're stamping over all of those folds. See the folds there? Perfectly normal now. But we can just kind of go over, and then we'll tidy in just a second. I'm really excited about this brush. It's coming soon, friends. But I have on that same black cream, and I'm just making sure the base of my lashes are extra dark and filled in. It's so easy. Look, it's bent. I'm excited. Now, instead of grabbing my cellar water, I'm going to take just a little bit of this and like a whisper, just so it's not just super white. And I'm just going to tidy up this way. I didn't want a super kind of edge. I wanted a softer edge. So we can just kind of melt that undertone into those edges there. And we still have a, look, we have a really pretty little lift, but it's just a little bit softer. I like the idea of adding something close to my undertone. You can definitely use your concealer, but I love the idea of adding undertone and skin tone into eyeshadow and melting edges that way. Let's finish up underneath our eye. I'm just gonna take the dark brown cream, smudge that into the lashes with an E27. And then I want to take this color again. I can't get enough. I just know this is going to make my eyes pop. And I like that I'm able to just kind of pull it and press it into that cream. That way I'm not going to have fallout. Oh, that's a gorgeous color. I really like these YSL lip liners. They're super long wearing. This is shade 106, and I like how much pinky red is in this one. And look at how pretty this gloss is. It's a frosted gloss. It's Candy Sky from Lawless. Oh, I love it. All right, my friends, this is our finished look. I hope that you enjoyed today's tutorial. I love a bronzy look. Anytime that I can just put on extra bronzer, I'm in. I love you so much. Thank you for watching these longer tutorials. It means the world to me. These are my makeup therapy. So thank you for being here. I love you. Until the next video, bye for now.